If Governor McMaster does issue evacuation orders, we'll be seeing lots of people headed here to the Upstate.
And emergency management is getting ready. 7 News' Tobias Rodriguez live in Spartanburg at High Point Academy. Tobias, what's happening there?
The HPA Center here in Spartanburg will be a shelter if they need it to, and I was able to speak with the school officials here at High Point Academy, and they say that this is the perfect building for a shelter, and that's because if you look at the building right behind me, it can be locked down. So that means the people that come to the shelter, they won't have access to the school building, and the students and staff won't have access to the shelter. But this school does have a long history of helping people in times like this, especially during hurricanes. In 2016, they helped a lot of people during Hurricane Matthew, but there's another way that they're making sure that everything is secure here. Spartanburg County deputies will be here for 24 hours whenever this shelter is open, and school officials tell me that they want to make sure that school keeps running, but that they can help people in need.
We do work closely with Spartanburg County emergency management officials, and it's a lot of logistics. They do most of the work and we provide the space, and as long as we can do it in a safe environment, then we want to help our neighbors in South Carolina.
If your child goes to this school and you have questions about how the school and the shelter are going to be functioning, they said to call the administrative offices. Reporting live in Spartanburg, Tobias Rodriguez, 7 News.
Thank you, Tobias. Greenville County schools are also monitoring the forecast and are preparing to respond if needed. Officials say they're prepared for bad weather and to help with evacuations or shelters.
Yeah, the school district also says it's canceling field trips that would take students or staff near the coast this weekend. Of course, stay with 7 News for complete Storm Team 7 coverage of Hurricane Florence. And don't forget, you can check conditions anytime at WSPA.com.